With Overdrive, you can quickly build great looking web pages using all sorts of content. Let's look at how this is done. Here is our Overdrive site, and we're going to add some content to our Documents page, which is currently just showing a folder tile. To do this, we open Page Builder by clicking on the pencil here. So let's add an image to the top of this page. To do that, I'll open the Content section and choose the image box. Just drag it up to the top of the page and make it full width and a little bit shorter. And now to choose the image, I'll click on the cog and then on the file name, and there is my image. And I'm going to choose Fit to Tile, and I'm going to remove the header because it's an image. And there we go. I've added an image to our page. I'm just going to make this folder tile a little bit shorter. Okay. Now what I want to do is add some quick links to sales reports, which are quite deep in this folder tile, so that'll help users find what they need quicker. And to do that, I'm going to use the button tile. So I'll click to add it onto the page and just drag it just below the image. And to set up the button, I will click the cog. And I'm going to add a sales report from Q1. And if I click on the link box here, I can go and find it on the site. So, sorry, it's under Documents, Reports, and Q1. Okay, and I want the button color to be on brand, follow the company brand. So I'm going to choose that color and white font. And I'm just going to set some rounded corners, and that will do. So there's a button there. Now I want 4 of these, so I'm going to duplicate this using this the duplicate function. I'm going to duplicate one more time and then drag that button up, and then one more. So there we go, I've got 4 buttons. And now all I need to do is open each one and just change the text and the link. I won't, just to speed things up, I won't change the link for this video. So I'm just going to add a divider tile. And just drag it the full width of the page. And if I add a header, you'll see I can add a nice section header in here. I'll just call it sales reports. There we go. And it's looking nice. And then the final thing I'm going to do to this page is just allow users to discuss the documents in this section. So I'll just add a discussion tile here. And again, I'll just type in a section header. Okay, now with the discussion tile, there's no setup. Users can just add comments, and any comments that are added can be subscribed to, so that emails are received. It's quite a good feature. And there you go. We've set the page up fairly quickly. If I save the changes, slightly better than just a standard folder page. Now with a further thing you can do is you can save this as a template, or you can, to use throughout the site or even on another site. To do that, you can open Page Builder and open the templates section and just save as. So we can save this as our folder page. There we go, and then I can just use it on any page that I want. Another option is that you can copy the page, move to a new page, a new blank page, and then paste if you want to. So that's the end of our show and tell of the page builder. There are lots of tile types available in Overdrive to enhance your site pages. So check out more of our tutorials or visit help.overdrive.io for more help with building your site.